G'day folks, Connor here from CW Tech, back with another video, and today we're looking at the best 3 apps for fat men. That's right, you heard me right, the best 3 apps for fat men. Now you might think that is a little bit controversial, but I don't really care because I'm including myself in that category. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Now some of you might think, who is this guy saying that these apps are good for fat blokes? Well, 2 years ago I was a heavy smoker and I weighed about 83, 84 kilos and I was just a really unhealthy dude. If I was bored, I smoked or ate. If I was happy, I smoked or ate, and I was just a slob. So that's why I'm including myself in that category, and these are the 3 apps I used to help myself get skinny and get healthy and get off my butt. Now I do use 3 different types of apps, and I always have for my fitness activities. I mean, some of them do a great job at running, and some of them do a great job at all-round data collection, and some of them do a great job for just standalone workouts. Now the first app that I downloaded and started using straight away was the Nike Plus running app. Now I did that because Nike's well known and everyone loves Nike and downloads Nike and wears Nike clothes and all that sort of thing. So I thought, hey, maybe I want to be fit like these Nike people. So I downloaded this running app, and it really did help me actually. It helped me to sort of join a community online, because I'm a bit of a loner, there's no doubting that. It helped me join a little bit of a community online where I was running on Sundays with other runners and doing the 5K challenge, and I think it was Kevin Hart was in my ear encouraging me to keep running and that sort of thing, and I found it really helpful. As usual, I'd go through my contact list to see who else had this app, and pretty much no one I knew had it, so that's why it was really good to have that large Nike Plus community to share and, you know, encourage each other with. So that was one app that I definitely downloaded and used straight away, which led me to my next application. And along with the Galaxy Gear Fit 2 Pro, I used Samsung Health application. Now this watch tracked my swimming. It tracked my laps, what style I was doing when I was swimming, how many laps I was doing, calories I was burning, heart rate, all that sort of thing. And I didn't need to have it connected to my phone while I was doing it. However, the Samsung Health app not only tracks my swimming, but it tracks my steps, my food intake, my water intake. It encouraged me to get up off my butt and do activities, to twist during the day and stretch and all that sort of thing. So I found myself using this application more and more. And I think if you're trying to lose weight and you're looking at it from a holistic point of view, where you're not just going to exercise, but you've got to change your diet and increase your water intake and reduce your caffeine intake and all that sort of thing, Samsung Health app can really help you do that and achieve some goals along the way. Now, no one's paying me to do this video. This is my experience in how I lost that 15% of my body weight, and not only that, but how I became a much healthier person in general. So I've been doing some running, and then I started swimming a lot, and then my knees started to get better and I started running more, but I felt I needed to add something else in to my workouts. And what came next was the Nike training application. Now this application I just found so beneficial. It gave me the opportunity to do workouts at home. I'm not a gym dude, I always felt self-conscious about going to the gym, so I was at home, and this application gave me workouts to do at home with no weights, just using my total body weight as the gym equipment itself. And I found that so useful. I'd pair it up to a Bluetooth speaker and I would set up my workout, and it would actually show me what to do and how to do it throughout the workout routine. And I just found that so useful because I didn't know what to do. And like I said, I wasn't a gym sort of dude. I didn't want to go to the gym. I just wanted to be able to work out in peace and quiet and not feel self-conscious. And then the last one I downloaded and started to use, I found to be really beneficial, was for my running, was RunKeeper. And then I paid for the premium version. I think it's RunKeeper Go or something like that. In that application, it gave me a lot of stats and a lot of feedback about my running. So I could really get stuck into it, see where I was improving, see where I needed to improve, and really monitor my running. And I found these 3 apps together really helped me push myself to get faster and better and to keep training. Because it's very easy for someone like me to do like 20, 30 days worth of training and then stop, and then another 6 to 12 months of nothing, and then another 30 days worth of training. And these applications have helped me to keep training every day for at least 2 years. So every day I get up and I do at least an hour to 2 hours worth of training, whether it's an hour and a half bike ride and a swim or an hour and a half worth of running. I just get up and push myself and push myself and push myself so I don't go back to being that lazy fat dude on the couch. So that would be my top 3 applications for anyone who wants to get out and do a bit of running, but particularly for blokes, you know, who are sitting around being lazy bums, you know, thinking about the glory days of when they were young and fit. Get off your backside, do a bit of training, just slowly build into it. And these 3 applications should really help. Now I'm going to do a separate video on the tech gear that helps me do my training. Things like the Gear Fit 2 Pro and phones and other applications and all that sort of thing that helps me to track it. It can be fun, it can be expensive, but I'm going to show you what I do, so in a separate video. So if you want to hang around and see that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, because I will be coming back with more videos like this on how I stay fit. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check ya.